see. You've been hanging on to something, it's really just enough, it seems to me. So tell me, have you found your life's going round and around, and climbing your way to the top can't bring you down? When it all falls apart, you gotta keep it together. Wherever you go, I'll be there by your side. I want you to know that we're brothers forever. If the bottom drops out, we'll hang on for the ride. Castles may stand, but they don't last forever. Save what you can, let the rest of it slide. Hang on to your friends and you'll get through whatever. Soon you'll be coming out the other side. Everybody's running, thinking they could just be hide and seek. Open your eyes and realize this life is just a crazy mystery. So how can you have any fun when trouble's got you out on the run, and this world feels like a monster that weighs a ton? When it all falls apart, we gotta keep it together. Running ahead, we'll leave trouble behind. Never will part, cause we're stronger than ever. And if we get cornered, we'll both hold the line.